Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So you may have $2 million, I may have $10, you may have $100. Everyone has got some riches. That is admitted. But nobody can say that I have got all the riches. That is not possible. If somebody can say that I have got all the riches, he is God. That is spoken by Krishna. Nobody has said in the history of the world. Krishna says, Bhoktaram Jaggatamatham Sarvaloka Mahesam. I am the enjoyer of everything. And I am the proprietor of all the universe. Who can say that? That is God. Aishajyasa, samagrasa. Samagra means total, not that partial. That I have got so much, now I have distributed. I do not wish to mention by name one artificial God. He was teaching his disciple, and the disciple was feeling electrical shocks. So unfortunately I cannot give you electrical shocks. You see, electrical shocks, and he became fainted by electrical shock. And these are written publicly, and fools are accepted. Why teachers should give electrical shock? Where is that mentioned in the Shastra? But these things are bogus things are stated. Electrical shock. And when he fainted, then the God was sitting, and when he got his senses, then the disciple asked God, Sir, why you are crying? Now I have finished everything, I have given you everything. Just a teacher finishes everything by teaching his disciple. These things are going on. So, Krishna is not that kind of God, that I have finished everything. Purnasya purnamadayo purnameva usishyati. This is definition of God. God is so perfect and full that even if you take all his opulences, it still is full. That is God. Not that I have finished my stock. So intelligent man should learn what is God from the Vedic information. Don't manufacture God. How we can manufacture God? That is not possible. So that is called monodharma. By mental concoction, mental speculation, we cannot create God. Here is the definition of God, that Ishavassamidam sarvam jat kinchit jagatyam jagat. Idam sarvam. Sarvam means whatever you see. You see the big Pacific Ocean, that is created by God. And it is not that he has created one Pacific Ocean, therefore he is all chemicals, hydrogen and oxygen finished. No. There are millions and trillions of Pacific Ocean floating in the sky. That is God's creation. There are millions and trillions of planets floating in the sky, and there are millions and trillions of living entities, seas and mountains and everything, but there is no scarcity. Not only this universe, there are millions and trillions of universes. We get this information from the Vedic. Jasya prabha prabhavatu jagadannakoti कोटिषु अशेषु वसुधादि विभूति भिन्नम तद ब्रह्म निष्कलम अनंतम अशेष भूतम गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तम. Try to understand the opulence of God.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.